Hello everyone and welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get any Udemy course for free. But first, let me give you a brief description on Udemy. Udemy is an online learning platform aimed at professional adults and students, developed in May 2010. As of January 2020, the platform has more than 50 million students and 57,000 instructors teaching courses in over 65 languages. There have been over 295 million course enrollments. Students and instructors come from 190 plus countries and 2/3 of students are located outside of the US. Udemy also has over 5,000 enterprise customers and 80% of Fortune 100 companies use Udemy for employee upskilling. Students take courses largely as a means of improving job-related skills. Some courses generate credit toward technical certification. Udemy has made a special effort to attract corporate trainers seeking to create coursework for employees of their company. As of 2020, there are more than 150,000 courses on the website. They have courses on several categories of which I'm going to show you how to have any of your choice. So open your browser. Now search for discudemy.com, link will be given in description. Now, on categories page, we have several types of courses which are all of no cost. They are free. Discudemy.com are of the greatest choice you can always think of choosing. They update courses of several types every day and they regularly check for expired coupons and delete them. They offer us the possibility to get free coupon codes for no cost. Select any course category of your choice. Browse all the courses under that category and select any of your choice, they are free. I have selected the ethical hacking category. Browse the next page after you must have clicked on your desired course, then click on Take Course. Now click on coupon link provided and it will redirect you directly on Udemy where you will enroll for the course. Go to the right hand side of this page and click on Enroll Now to go in for the course. Congratulations, you just enrolled in for a Udemy course on ethical hacking. To view your course you just enrolled, select the My Courses option on the top right screen and search for your course. In there, you will find all the courses in which you enrolled. From here, you can start learning your desired course online. Scroll to view topics under the course and click on any video to play. You can head back to discudemy.com and select any other category and any other course under it to enroll for the course. Hope this tutorial helped you out with your courses on Udemy, and if you found it helpful, give a like to the video and subscribe to my channel AIM Tutorials for more. If you have any video suggestion, give it down in the comments section. Thanks for your attention.